Okay, what have we here? Well, we got this wreath hanger. It's actually going from this post right here over to that post there. It goes across, and then it has some little hooks that hang out so you can hang your garland or your wreaths or your pine boughs or whatever across, and then just decorate for whatever holiday it is. And we have some holiday garland there for Christmas and some little wreaths and stuff like that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it down and I'll show you the actual product itself that everything is hanging on. How about that? They sent this to us, this wreath hanger, garland hanger thing. They sent that to us so we could show it to you, and I'm going to show it to you without the stuff on it so you can see it and understand it. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the stuff not on it, but you can see it's got these are adjustable to different positions, and the pole itself is adjustable. It's a tension rod, so you just twist it until you get it to the length that you need it, and then you just kind of twist it like a shower curtain rod or whatever. Goes up between two places. You could do it on a door frame if your door frame's stuck out enough and stuff, but anyway, it's got these, and then these pieces here are all flexible and stuff, so they can go around wherever you want them to go, and they just screw into here, into this little hole right here, like that. See that little hole there and that little screw in there, and then these are repositionable anywhere along here that you want. And these things they just kind of clamp on, these little jaws just clamp on and tighten up with these here, so they can go on and off really easily and move wherever you want them to. And if you twist this all the way, then these open up wide enough to come off of the rod. So yeah, very nice. Thanks for sending those. That's going to be really handy for decorating for the holidays. So